Hello, in today's video I'm going to discuss the craze surrounding avocado oil and if it's indeed a healthy oil to cook with and consume. So to start, what is avocado oil exactly? Avocado oil is extracted from the avocado fruit native to South Mexico and the Andean area. It is not a seed oil. Specifically, this oil comes from the avocado fruit tree Persea americana. This oil is 100% fat due to the avocado being mostly fat. Many sources cite it to be 99% fat. The oil's fatty acid profile is around 70% monounsaturated, 12% saturated, and 13% polyunsaturated. It's easy to extract the oil from an avocado since it's about 1/3 oil. Avocado oil has no flavor for the most part. Depending on the type, it may have a mild, nutty, and buttery flavor, but in general, most describe avocado oil as a clean tasting oil. The primary types of avocado oil are virgin, cold pressed, and refined. Virgin, extra virgin, and unrefined avocado oil is the most naturally produced and preferred by many. It's made by pressing the avocado to extract the oil without any chemicals or high heat. This results in a rich, buttery flavor that's the most nutrient dense. This oil is usually green with a strong buttery scent, as well as the most expensive. Cold-pressed avocado oil is made similar to virgin avocado oil, but adds low heat to extract the oil easily. This results in a subtle, buttery taste with some nutrients still present. It's cheaper than virgin avocado oil, and refined avocado oil is made with high heat and chemicals to extract the oil. The result is a clear or yellowish oil with no scent. It has a mild flavor, making it optimal for cooking and frying. However, it lacks any nutrients. For longevity, avocado oil is best stored in a cool, dry, and dark place. If unopened, it can last for up to 2 years. Once opened, it can last up to 6 months. In general, avocado oil is made by pressing the fruit. Depending on the type of oil, virgin, cold-pressed, or unrefined, further processing may occur. To start, the Hass or Persea americana avocados are often used to extract the oil. The flesh is mashed and slow churned for about an hour at temperatures no more than 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This produces an oil and water mixture, which is separated through high-speed decanting centrifuge. The solid matter is used as mulch and fertilizer for avocado trees. Again, this is the typical way of producing avocado oil. However, depending on the type, there are additional methods. For virgin avocado oil, the avocados are simply pressed. This results in the purest form of avocado oil that has the highest level of nutrients and flavor. Cold-pressed avocado oil is similarly produced with the addition of low heat. It too retains some nutrients and flavor. These oils are considered unrefined. For refined avocado oil, further processing occurs with the addition of chemicals and high heat. Bleaching and deodorization removes the avocado scent, flavor, and green color. Avocado oil has many uses topically and food-wise. Topically, avocado oil is used to moisturize the face, body, and hair. In traditional medicine, avocado oil has been used to relieve diarrhea and prevent parasites. Many have stated that avocado oil doesn't clog skin, so it has been used to cleanse the face as well. Some have used it as a conditioner for the hair and to repair damage due to coloring and other treatments. It's important to note that these uses have not been well studied and is based on individual experiences. For food, refined avocado oil is commonly used to fry, roast, and cook at high temperatures. This is because it has a high smoke point, which is the max temperature the oil can sustain itself before it starts to break down and smoke, thus becoming rancid and inflammatory. Refined avocado oil has a smoke point of around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Virgin avocado oil is commonly used to finish foods, such as drizzling it over meals before serving, or using it to make a salad dressing. Cold-pressed and virgin avocado oil are ideal for lightly flavoring mild foods, such as fish and vegetables. Unrefined avocado oil has a smoke point of around 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Other ways avocado oil, whether refined, cold-pressed, or virgin, is used in food are as marinades for grilling and cooking meat, and baked goods, drizzled over hummus, and drizzled over soups. It can even be mixed in some smoothies. Processed foods and products that tend to contain avocado oil are cosmetics and toiletries such as shampoos, conditioners, and lotions, and crunchy snacks such as chips, spreads such as mayo, and cooking sprays. Natural avocados are packed with several nutrients and health benefits. They're cholesterol-free, trans fat-free, and high in vitamin E. Additional nutrients they contain are thiamine, riboflavin, and vitamin A. Avocados also support heart health and weight management. Though avocado oil loses many of these nutrients, especially if processed as refined avocado oil, it still has some noted benefits. Several animal studies found avocado oil to repair liver damage as a result of sucrose consumption. Specifically, there was a study on rabbits that found cholesterol levels improved when they consumed avocado oil. Nevertheless, avocado oil is high in oleic acid, which is a healthy monounsaturated omega-9 fat. This acid fights against cancer, autoimmune and inflammatory diseases, heart disease, and supports wound healing. The oil's monounsaturated fat also helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol and maintains good HDL cholesterol, as well as reduce insulin levels and maintain blood sugar. Avocado oil is also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that protects against eye disease such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Studies have found a reduction in these conditions with increased lutein consumption. Lutein is more present in cold-pressed and virgin avocado oils since these oils are minimally processed, and the oil has been known to fight joint pain and inflammation. This is due to the antioxidants that are present in avocados that ward off specific inflammatory responses in the body. When consumed with other foods or a meal, avocado oil can improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. As mentioned topically, avocado oil doesn't clog the skin. It moisturizes both skin and hair. A study in 2018 from the International Journal of Molecular Science found that avocado oil could have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the skin, which included wound healing and other issues like psoriasis. Considering avocado oil's benefits, does it pose any serious problems to human health? It's important to note that avocado oil is a fairly new product in the food market, though it has been consumed for over a century, one source citing as early as 1918 in Britain. Nevertheless, its benefits and potential harm requires further research to confirm its positive or negative effects on the average consumer. With this in mind, researchers in India have raised concerns over avocado oil safety. In their research using live human white blood cells, they found a possible link between avocados and DNA damage. They diluted avocados in a solution and added that solution to cultured human white blood cells. The result was several DNA mutations. The number of mutations correlated with the dosage, so the higher the dosage of the avocado solution added to the human white blood cells, the higher the number of DNA mutations. But it's important to emphasize that this research was not the same as evaluating avocado oil's effect on the actual human body. Unfortunately, no other studies have been done to support this research. Most research has been on the avocado fruit and its effects on health other than the oil. Though researchers concluded that the study wasn't enough to conclude if avocado oil is harmful and should be avoided, they've pushed for further research to be done to confirm their conclusions. However, it was advised to choose organic extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil instead of avocado oil until more research is available, since these two oils did not produce the mutagenic results as the avocado oil did when tested. Generally, most health and nutrition experts state that no studies have revealed that avocado oil contains any harmful anti-nutrients. Instead, they advise to consume avocado oil in moderation, since it is high in omega-6 fatty acids. In moderation, these fatty acids are beneficial, but when consumed in large amounts, they can cause inflammation. Also, for those who take blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, they should limit their avocado oil consumption due to avocados lessening the effects of those drugs. Other reported side effects related to avocado oil consumption are allergic reactions, gastrointestinal issues, and liver damage. It's also been advised that pregnant and nursing women avoid avocado oil, as well as those hypersensitive to avocados. A final negative to avocado oil is the cost and availability. Since avocado oil is fairly new to the food market, it is not as widely produced as other long-standing oils such as olive oil and coconut oil. This is a major reason that has driven up the price of avocado oil. So, with what's known about avocado oil, should you consume it? I would say yes, but in moderation given the controversy surrounding it. If choosing to consume avocado oil, I would go with extra virgin avocado oil or cold pressed avocado oil, since these oils are not processed with chemicals or high heat. Also, these oils have more flavor and more of the original nutrients. Again, consume these oils in moderation due to them being high in omega-6 fatty acids and being a generally calorie-dense food due to its high fat content. If not using the oil for high heat cooking, some suggest sticking to olive oil and coconut oil since enough research exists on their safety to consume. But if choosing to consume avocado oil, go for its purest form without chemical processing and organic if possible. One writer suggests to also consider packaging. Buying oil in dark colored bottles will ensure they don't break down easily due to light heat or oxygen exposure. This will help prolong the life of the oil. If you suspect or know that you have an allergy to avocados, I would not recommend consuming avocado oil or any products containing it. As mentioned, avoid this oil if taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. Consult with your doctor to discuss other oils to consume instead. Lastly, if you have a latex allergy, you may want to avoid avocado oil. It's reported that a latex allergy is linked to specific foods like bananas, chestnuts, kiwis, and avocados due to these foods having the same allergens that's also present in latex. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I explained what avocado oil is and if you should avoid it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share so others looking to understand this popular food ingredient can discover this video. Subscribe for more whole food and nutrition videos, and until next time, take care.